Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set a password for Instagram app. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to open the application called Shortcuts on our iPhone. Here it is. Here is the application, and from this interface we need to click on the automation in the middle of the screen in the bottom and create a new automation. So click on the new automation here. Now search for the automation called app right here and click on it, and now choose is opened here and run immediately. So this automation will run immediately when we will open the app and lock the screen. So it will not ask for the confirmation. That is logically. So now we need to choose the app. So click on the app here and choose the Instagram from the list, but I'll just simply search for the Instagram here and click on the done button. So now, as we chose Instagram is opened and run immediately, click on the next, and here we will need to create a new blank automation. So click on the new blank automation here and search for the action called lock. So choose lock screen from the list and click on the done button. And now, as you can see, it says when Instagram is opened, lock screen. And now if we close these shortcuts and try to open Instagram, it will lock the screen immediately. And now basically we'll need to type a password, so it will open the Instagram. And basically that is it. That is how we can set a password for Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.